Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to talk about how to build yourself up from nothing. Building yourself up is very important before you build anything. And sometimes you have to start fresh to build you up. And sometimes you are broken and you have to rebuild yourself from nothing. And these kind of situations will arise in your life. Don't give up hope. You can build yourself by spending a little time and believing in you. And there are two important things which are very important. One is self-confidence and another one is determination. These two things will help you build yourself into a better person. And you only have to follow the process, which is stepwise, to build yourself. This process consists of two parts. The first part is mindset. You need to realize that you can't change the past and you can't go into the past. So you need to stop dwelling in the past and stop suffering because of it. And you need to stop worrying about the future, which is yet to come. You must be grateful because you still have life. There are people who are dying every day and there are people who are begging for one more day in their life. But you have life, so you can build yourself into a better person. Find inspiration. There is so much inspiration that is going on. And if you need proof about building up, you can find people on the internet or books or from some other people. These three things will build your mindset and gets you ready to start the method of building you up. And this method consists of three simple steps. And the final one is repetition. Step 1. Learn and observe. You need to learn every day to build yourself up. You may want to build your body, or you may want to build mental stability, or you may want to build a skill. To build your body, you can do exercise. And to build your mind, you can start doing meditation. And to build a skill, you need to learn the knowledge that is necessary for enhancing your skill. And maybe you will be doing mistakes, and don't lose hope. You still have to move forward, believing that everything is gonna alright. And you need to observe everything around you. You need to observe people, things, and whatever you are observing, it gives you natural knowledge which is more powerful and useful in your life. Step 2. Practice and apply. Whatever you are learning, you need to put it into practice and you need to apply when you are ready to apply it. And the most important thing is, even if you read 1,000 books or even if you have taken some hundreds of courses, it doesn't matter. When you don't put that knowledge you have learned into practice. Therefore, whatever you are learning, you have to put into practice. There may be dark times or bad situations which is stopping you from building you up. And try to face them and overcome them and build yourself. Don't give up your hope, which is more important for building yourself into a better person. Step 3. Result. Whatever you are going to put into practice and apply it in your practical life, it gives some result. It may be success or it may be failure. If you succeed, it's good, congrats, and you can move on with other things in your life. But if you fail, don't give up or don't quit, because it's only temporary. You know, sometimes we won't get success in just one trial. You need to try again and again to gain success. The important thing is, there are some valuable lessons which failures will teach you, whereas success won't teach such lessons. These failures teach you lessons which make you stronger, and therefore accept failures for building yourself. And the last one is repeat. Maybe you got success at one thing in your life and you have built it in you, and you have several more things in your life, because life is not just one thing, it's a combination of several things. So you need to just build those things in you and repeat the process and repeat the method that I have mentioned you here, and this helps you gain success in no time. Thank you.